solve the equation. All right, this is ECZ 2024 school certificate question 12A. Yeah, so let's break it down in small and simple steps. So we have this question: 3 to the power 1 minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 5. They want us to solve the question. So, well, this is from Indices, right? Yeah, this is from Indices. Just by looking at the question, we know the first step is we need to collect like terms, because 4 and 5 are like terms, okay? So how do we do that? We take 4 to the other side. It crosses over. So we are going to have 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to, we have 5 here. When this 4 crosses to this side, it's gonna be negative, because here it's positive, okay? So when it crosses, it changes the sign. So it's going to become 5 minus 4. So 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is going to be what? 5 minus 4 is what? Is 1. When you reach this step, what do you do? Okay, so this is where I want you to pay attention. According to the laws of indices, how do we go about this question? You need to ensure that the bases are what? Are same. If here I have 3, even this side the base should be what? 3. Don't mind the powers. So you can do anything to manipulate, to change, such that the bases are same. Of course, without changing, but you write in different ways, okay? Such that the bases become what? Same. When the bases become same, you can cancel them and equate the what? The powers. That's the rule. So how do we do it here? So this is 3, and we can't manipulate this one. So how can we write this one such that the base becomes 3, so that they become same? Well, we know that any number raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. For example, I have 5 raised to the power 0 is equal to what? Is equal to 1, right? Yes, that's the thing. So here we have 1. So the way I can make sure that the bases become same, meaning since here I have 3, even here I have 3. If I say 3 raised to the power 0, this is also what? Is 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay? So 1 is equal to 3 to the power 0. This is same. Okay? So that's the concept I'm going to use here. So I'll say 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to, this one is same as what? 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power 0 is same as 1, because the number to the power 0 is 1. So by this, it means I have what? I have same bases, and I can do what? I can cancel them. When I cancel the bases, now I need to equate the powers. This is equal to everything on top here. So I'm going to have 1 minus 2x equal to what? 0. Okay? And I want to find the value of x. So it's going to be 1 here is equal to, or rather you can say anything, anyways. You can say negative 2x here is going to be, this one comes this side, it becomes what? Negative 1. Okay? It becomes negative 1. And what do we do? Since this becomes negative 1, we can say here, in order to remain with x, we are going to divide throughout by negative 2. Even this side by what? By negative 2. So that this negative 2 cancels with this one here. So we are going to have our x is equal to. So this negative will cancel with this negative. We will remain with 1 over what? 1 over 2. So this is our final what? Our final answer. Hope you've gotten it. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe.